Effective ways to make money on LinkedIn. How can you make money on LinkedIn without investing in paid advertising? With approximately 610 million members and growing, LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network app. In this week's video, we're going to show you various ways to make money on LinkedIn and why you should create a profile on this platform. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new videos and show you how you can have the life you want. Why you should create a profile on LinkedIn? It's the world's largest professional network with over 810 million members in more than 200 countries and territories worldwide. So your LinkedIn profile is a professional landing page for you to manage your personal brand. A LinkedIn profile is a great way for you to let people know who you are, what you stand for, and what you're interested in. Your profile is fully visible to all LinkedIn members. However, you can control what appears on your profile, notifications to your network, and your profile privacy preferences. Having a profile on LinkedIn helps manage your professional brand, create opportunities for you, build your network, and track your professional milestones. You can add various sections to your profile to showcase your skills and expertise. A complete LinkedIn profile will increase your discoverability and profile search appearances. Just 2 quick tips for creating a great LinkedIn profile. Add a professional profile photo. Make your headline stand out. The platform gives users the possibility to write articles, share blog posts, text posts, videos, and LinkedIn stories. Through regularly sharing content around your niche, you can establish yourself as an expert in your industry. This gives you the possibility to create a community of trusted users who might be interested in what you have to offer. Additionally, to support coaches, consultants, and freelancers, LinkedIn recently implemented some new features to showcase your services. Once you've created a LinkedIn profile, what are the most effective ways to make money on LinkedIn? Drive traffic to your personal website or blog. Similar to other social networks, LinkedIn is a great way to drive traffic to your website or blog, and then monetize it in the form of product sales, PPC ads, etc. This can be done by creating a LinkedIn profile or your own company page. You can either write articles on LinkedIn's creator section and refer to your website in your article, or post a link to your blog posts in your feed. B2B Influencer Collaborations. Since the implementation of hashtags in 2018 and stories in 2020, LinkedIn has turned into a platform comparable to Facebook and Instagram. The platform definitely still remains a professional network with a focus on business and entrepreneurship. However, B2B, as well as B2C ads in the form of influencer collaborations, have started to show up on LinkedIn more often. While influencer marketing on LinkedIn is currently much lower than on other platforms, there is huge potential for growth in the coming years. Make money on LinkedIn through paid speaking opportunities. Another way to monetize your personal brand on LinkedIn is through paid speaking opportunities. When you create a LinkedIn profile and start building your personal brand, you automatically establish yourself as an expert in your industry. If you post valuable content on a daily basis, chances are high that you will receive speaking opportunities. Creators often wonder what the best way to find speaking gigs is and how to pitch event organizers. If you build a strong personal brand on LinkedIn, chances are high that people will reach out, without having to pitch your brand. LinkedIn Pro Finder. LinkedIn Pro Finder is LinkedIn's marketplace for professional services that helps you find the best freelancer and consultants in your area. You can use it with your LinkedIn profile to get leads, bid on projects, and potentially land long-term gigs. The Pro Finder launched back in 2015 with the goal to help users find freelance work and project resources. Users who are in need of specific services have the possibility to fill in a form where they can fill in the type of service they are looking for. LinkedIn then comes up with different freelancers and consultants they might collaborate with. Over the past years, the tool has been widely used by business professionals in many industries. In case you are offering your services on LinkedIn, this tool is a great way to increase your exposure and gain new clients. As you can see, there are many ways to make money on LinkedIn. This can be in form of monetizing your knowledge, driving traffic to your website, increasing exposure for your products, or through paid brand collaborations. Let us know how you get on and see you next week for another video about helping you make money.